Hello, my name is Anupriya. Today I'm going to tell you a story. The name of the story is Lily Goes to the Market. In the story, we will go on a trip to the market with a little girl called Lily. Are you ready to listen to the story? Let's begin. This is Lily. This is Lily's mother. Lily loves to go to the market with her mother. Can you see the market in the picture? There are so many colors and so many smells. Her amma always buys her a yummy fruit to eat. Today, amma is looking for coconuts. Can you find the coconuts? Oh, here they are. Lily always carries her own cloth bag to the market. It is in her favorite color too. Can you guess the color of Lily's bag? Yes, it's orange in color. They pass by the fish market and buy three fish. One for Appa, one for Amma, and one for Lily. Lily and Amma go home with their bags full of vegetables and fish. Amma cooks dinner and serves it to Lily. Thank you, Amma. I love you, said Lily. This is the end of the story. Did you enjoy going to the market with Lily?